Hello everyone. Question is, what type of wireless security measure can easily be defeated by a hacker by spoofing their network interface card's hardware address? Option A, WPS. Option B, WEP. Option C, disable SSID broadcast. Option D, MAC filtering. Correct answer is option D. Question is, a user receives the following error message: Windows Update cannot currently check for updates because the service is not running. The user calls the help desk to report the error they received. A support technician uses a remote connection tool to log into the computer remotely, quickly identifies the issue, and fixes the issue. Which of the following should the technician do next? Option A, restart the network services. Option B, reboot the computer. Option C, register the Windows Update Services DLL files. Option D, roll back the device drivers. Correct answer is option B. Question is, you recently moved 1.5 TB of data from your Office's file server to a new 16 TB NAS and decommissioned the old file server. You verified all users had been given the same permissions to the new file shares on the NAS as they had on the old server. The users are receiving an error stating Windows cannot access server 10 shared every time they click the shared drive icon on their desktop. What is the most likely the source of this error? Option A, the users are using the password for the new server. Option B, the users are still mapped to the old shared drive. Option C, the users need administrative permissions to access the new NAS. Option D, the users are outside the authorized hours set in the GPO. Correct answer is option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is, which of the following techniques would be the most appropriate solution to implementing a multi-factor authentication system? Option A, password and security question. Option B, fingerprint and retinal scan. Option C, smart card and PIN. Option D, username and password. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a user is complaining that when they attempt to access Google's home page, it appears in a foreign language even though they are located in the United States. The user claims they are not using a VPN to access the internet. You have run a full anti-malware scan on the workstation and detected nothing unusual. Which of the following actions should you attempt next? Option A, disable the Windows firewall. Option B, verify the user's date and time zone are correctly listed in the Windows. Option C, remove any proxy servers configured in their web browser. Option D, download the latest security updates for Windows. Correct answer is option C. Question is, Dion Training's office are frequently experiencing brownouts and sags. Which of the following solutions would protect all of their workstations and servers from these undervoltage events? Option A, diesel generator. Option B, surge suppressor. Option C, line conditioner. Option D, uninterruptible power supply. Correct answer is option C. Question is, a user's Android smartphone is becoming sluggish and slow to load applications. Which of the following should you perform first to fix this problem? Option A, turn off the smartphone's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Option B, conduct a factory restore of the smartphone. Option C, close all of the running applications. Option D. Update the smartphone's firmware. Correct answer is option C. Question is, you are working on a Windows 10 workstation with a 1 TB HOD and 16 GB of memory that is operating slowly when reading large files from its storage device. Which of the following commands should you use to speed up this workstation? Option A. ipconfig. Option B. Format. Option C. Disk part. Option D. Check disk. Correct answer is option D. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.